Hello besties and welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. You're watching Nailist and today we'll be doing a Valentine's set. I'm starting by prepping up my nails, pushing back the cuticles. I'm using a cuticle bit to clean everything up. I'm brushing the dust off. And I'm polishing my cuticles with this big bead. Lastly, I just cut any flyaways. And I buff my nail surface to prep it for the nail extension. I'm taking some pure acetone and wiping my fingers thoroughly. Dehydrating my nail. I'm putting a peel-off base on and I'm curing this for about a minute. I have this mini lamp today and these are the nail extensions we're going to be using. And I'm prepping the extension surface with some acetone to give it a little bit of texture. Putting my rubber base on. And I'm sliding it. Oh. Just pushing it, making sure there are no air bubbles. I'm curing it for 10 to 15 seconds. Doing the same for all of my nails. And then I'm doing a final cure. And some coffee. I will be perfecting the shape of the nail file. And I'm erasing the cuticle line to my actual nail with the cuticle bit. And I am taking all the dust out. This time I'll be cleaning my nail extensions with some cleanser. And I'll be using this rubber base. It's just so pretty. It has little particles in it. And it's semi-transparent. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy this step. Don't mind me dog walking in the background. Curing it, and I'm gonna give it a second coat just so that the particles are not as sparse. And I'm curing again. The whole inspiration starting from these pom-poms that I got in the mail. We're gonna be using this pink one. It attaches to my nail with a magnet, so you can take it off whenever you wash your hands. Flash curing this in place, and I'll be using some matte top coat to coat all of my nails because I love matte. I'm not sure if I made the right choice here because they looked really pretty glossy, but let me know down in the comments. There you have them all matte. We're ready. Thank you so much for watching. Now, the truth is we're going to be putting some more chunky charms, a little kawaii vibe. First off, I'm starting with this pearl hearts. I used hard gel to secure them. It didn't really work out for me, but you should probably use some base coat or some rhinestone glue. I don't know if my gel was old or something, but it wouldn't cure, so I had to reattach it with a different gel. But oh my god, you guys, this is probably my favorite collection so far. It consists of 6 drinks. It has coffee and this pink one that I don't know what it is, but let's say just strawberry latte or something. I don't know. It's super cute. I'll be flashcurrying this. And the rest of the charms I'm gonna be using is a teddy bear and some more hearts. I tried a second heart there. I don't know why I didn't like it, because now that I see it, it looks pretty good. But yeah, I switched it for some pearls. And then Peppa Bear over here. I got this set of charms from Shein, and they're so lovely. I'm attaching it with some base gel. I'm flash carrying it. And here you got the whole set. This was so much fun to create. I have been obsessing over pink vibes lately and pink nails in general. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Valentine's is around the corner, and single or not, this is just playing with my nails is something that boosts my mood. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to give this a like if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than